Andrew's been hard at work cleaning off the head.
I did a first pass with the pressure washer. Got a lot of the paint off the top. Now I'm taking this guy and taking the paint off the side and actually smoothing out some of the roughness from casting. So, slow progress, but progress.
The engine is still apart, but we'll get around to getting that together soon enough.
I already cleaned the valve cover valve cover. It's got some pitted spots, but it cleaned up pretty well. Definitely usable.
Yeah, I was impressed with that, and even the oil pan.
Yeah, the outside's not done, but the inside.
You guys saw how much sludge was on the inside. Well, it's pretty much clean now.
I think we can adjust the valves now because it doesn't matter when we do that. Might as well be now.
You're right,
And
I'm
then,
the job eating.
We'll go from there.
All right.
I think we should paint the head and the block together, and then we can
Gray
separate it.
or
Yeah,
black?
gray. And then we can separate it and put the new head gasket when that comes in.
When is that coming in?
When we order it.
Yeah,
Oh,
we should do that
that's
today.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
So Andrew, you got the head all cleaned up, and what is this I hear about compression?
We put a little over half the bolts in and torqued them we cleaned up the old head gasket, and we have compression on all of them now, so that's better than the 2 we had originally.
Nice. And the compression's even, right?
Pretty even, yeah, but we haven't even adjusted the valves yet. We're excited, so.
And we're missing some of the head bolts, so that's really promising.
Yep.
Johnny and Jake are cleaning up the bell housing. And I need safety glasses.
So let's see. Avoid contact with skin and eyes, may cause burns or irritation, harmful if swallowed, do not breathe dust. Do not allow solution to get into gloves or soak through clothing to skin. If swallowed, give 1 to 2 glasses
hold my
of
sleeve
water
down?
and call a physician
Hold my
immediately.
sleeve down.
Wash thoroughly with soap or
What is
water.
this, Johnny?
It's safe.
Oh, I got your skin. Sorry.
No, you did. You did. Fine.
Yeah, so just stir that up, and we'll use
your finger.
a little brush, and it should eat away all the rust.
Yeah.
So what is this?
Oxalic acid made from wood bleach.
Wood bleach, okay.
But it's used for rust?
Put a little bit of it in water and
It's acid, man.
Watch, just
good
watch. Just watch and learn.
We don't have baking soda.
Johnny's
to
a
neutralize this.
chemical engineer. He's teaching us how to make poisonous bad stuff.
Explosive.
Don't eat it.
So don't try this at home, kids. Johnny's a professional.
Did it all dissolve?
No.
Make sure it dissolves.
May want to put your safety glasses on, Jake. There we go. Safety first.
We can make it stronger if we have to, but
Okay, here we go.
I just let it sit.
Eat rust, small friends.
I'm not impressed.
I am so impressed. Yeah, it's like water. It's not mixed up.
Just like water.
Hey, definitely drink it. Good idea.
So it was just the wood bleach and water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how do we clean this up?
Burn it.
How do we? Yeah. Oh boy.
Throw it in the wood stove.
Very science.
Is that all of it? How much did you put in it the first time?
Yeah.
Oh boy, that is.
You can try this if you want. It's concentrate, so maybe.
Is that what you said, dude?
No.
No. I would have, brushed it on like normal. Oh.
It's just to catch all the drips.
How exciting. I have no idea if this is working or not.
careful.
The block is getting rusty, so it's starting to work. 15th time. So we're making progress on cleaning the block. It's been, is this after the acid wash?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a wire wheel.
Acid, wire wheel, acetone, brake clean, and this is the result so far. Looking pretty clean. Megan's in the process of painting. And what happened to the parts we already painted?
They went in a bucket somewhere. By the bug.
So this stuff's already been painted. And I'm surprised at how good it came out. Between all the prep work and making painting, everyone did a good job on this.
Oh, thanks.
The engine's now been prepped. It's as clean as we're gonna get it, and it's been taped off. The cylinders and the valves. The valve, where the valve cover gasket would go. Where the transmission bolts up. The timing cover, all of that's masked off. So just the sides of the block are shortly going to become gray.
8 to 10 inches, 2 light coats,
And then
1
a
medium coat.
Oh.
All in an hour. Long, even sprays.
Get the right gray. Did I get the right gray?
It's not terrible.
Is it good? It's not good. Not good though.
Looks like a brand new engine already. So what is this, the hood hinge?
Yep.
That's my
Alright,
two light coats.
so
Side.
that was like totally seized up, barely moving.
Yeah, you had to use a lot of force.
And just by soaking it in muriatic acid, it now moves freely.
You can see there's no rust. The paint's still on it, but any spot that was rusty is now just clear metal, so wire wheel the paint off and we'll be good to go.
Beautiful. So here's the head. Andrew's been doing a ton of wire wheeling and cleaning with brake clean. So here's the oil pan painted, and it got a little bit pitted from the
Well,
rust.
actually,
but
last time I went really.
It's definitely a lot better than it looked before.
Get the battery down. I got yelled at.
And this is Megan's signature piece. She did a blend of gray and black paint on this because part of it's going to be connecting to the gray block, and then part of it's going to be connecting to a bowl and toes. So best of both worlds.
They don't like it.
No, and that's not true.
Tell
That
them.
And
required strong-
here's the block with the head loosely
And
installed.
space for me. Just like how I bought you the crowbar.
That came out really nice.
You're not fixing my work.
I'm not gonna touch it.
You better not.
Not while you're looking.
Oh, I don't want. I'm going to see my wife.
Megan's gonna stay up all night watching me.
We're gonna take it home. Guarded.
I thought she was the paint.
Here's the inside of the transmission. We just pulled the pan off. Smells as bad as it looks. But no metal shavings. It's a good sign.
No chipped teeth that we could see. Oh, we're out of gear. Yeah, I don't have the. Shit. Looks good.
And we have an assembled, well, a mostly assembled block now. So here's the result of the two-tone paint scheme. I think it looks great. There's the transmission, and the oil pan for the transmission. And the water water pump. The water pump was very ugly. So we're hoping to be able to start it up and run it for the first time tonight.